I'm Maggie Winston, and I'm a puppeteer and an educator, performer, and community engaged artist. I'm an educator or a facilitator, and I teach various workshops on puppetry mostly, sometimes a little bit of drama and acting.
And how do you feel about leading arts online?
I've actually found it to be pretty great. It's a learning curve for sure. Getting comfortable with the technology. But once I figured out how to use Zoom and the camera in, in a way that is beneficial and artistic, I actually found I had a lot of fun. I've been experimenting with backgrounds and with lighting and setting up my space properly, and then using this image, the frame, as a tool for teaching. So we just did a workshop on paper puppets, simple puppets. So I made this little person thing. I don't know what it is yet because we just made it. It's a newly born puppet. And here's a demonstration of how we can move this puppet on camera. So I'm going to try to get out of the way so that you can focus on this character on screen. And here it can go. It can move in and off screen and come back. Whoop! And it can even have a whole conversation. Hello, nice to meet you all. And I was just born, and I think that lots of other puppets just like me could get born too in your classrooms. And I took about 2 minutes to make. So I'm so glad to be here and to be seen on camera, and I'm destined for fame, that's for sure. Whoop!